going to get his clothes out today. You're going to get your clothes out, and we're going to chuck the rest on. See that mofo? You're going to get his clothes out today. You're going to get your clothes out, and we're going to chuck the rest on. Today and tomorrow, we're going to chuck everything. See that mofo? He's going to get his clothes out today. You're going